Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating any barrier between chrome and nail. Remove old polish and degrease with alcohol. Make sure there's no lotion on your hands. Next, lightly buff the nail plate to give the chrome something to cling to, then wipe with a lint-free pad. Apply a very thin base coat. You want coverage, not thickness, and cure it properly under LED or UV as recommended. Once done, don't skip tack-free assurance. A slightly cured base helps chrome adhere and prevents lifting later. You'll use a dark base for the most mirror-like chrome. Paint one thin color coat. Cure, then a second thin coat if needed. Fully cured color prevents trapping oils. Once the final color is cured but still has a slight smoothness, rub the chrome powder in small circular motions until you get an even metallic finish. Make sure you pat the powder toward the free edge to prevent gaps. Before moving on, wipe any excess powder and double-check that edges are fully covered, so sealing is effective. You finish by sealing the chrome with a no-wipe, high-gloss top coat applied in thin layers. Cap the free edge and cure fully. This both protects and locks the powder beneath. If you need extra durability, add a second thin top coat rather than one thick coat. Thin layers cure more reliably and resist chipping. Troubleshooting. If you see lifting at edges, gently remove the lifted area, clean oils from the nail edge, lightly buff, and reapply a thin top coat. This often restores adhesion without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.